Hey honors kids, I just wanted to make a really quick video so that you'd have a place where you could get some answers, because I'm sorry we had to go over flashcards really fast. But you should have this, and so yeah, I know it's backwards, but just deal with me here. And so basically on your flashcards, you are making these flashcards because you are going to take some element quizzes, and that is because if you've looked at your periodic table, you've noticed that there are no names on your periodic table. So to help us make a little bit more sense of that, we're going to put the symbols and the names together, or else we're going to have a really difficult year ahead of us. So on here, under where it says atomic numbers, and again, if you look at your sheet that's going the right direction, it'll help a lot. It says 1 through 40, 47 through 58, 78 through 88, and 92. Well, what does that mean? That is going to add up to 64 flashcards for 64 elements that you have to learn. So you don't have to learn all 118 of them, just 64, and they're those 64 that we actually use, okay? So if you look on here, in the middle there's a key that says atomic number, element, and then it says relative atomic mass. Pay attention to the atomic number. So on here where it says elements 1 through 40, element number 1 is hydrogen. So you are going to make a card that has the H symbol, and then on the back it's going to say hydrogen. I have a little 1 down here to remind me that that is the first element, because not all of the elements are going to be on the first quiz, okay? They're going to be in stages for you to get a chance to learn them, all right? So then element number 2 would be helium, and you're going to go all the way through to element number 40. So for example, if I stopped at element number 30, I'm going to make that one too. Zn is zinc. I put a little 30 down here because zinc is not on the first quiz. Zinc is going to be on the second quiz though. Okay? And then you're going to pick up with element number 47. So you go through 40, which is zirconium, and then you pick back up with 47, which is silver, and then you keep going. Okay? So don't do 118 flashcards. You're only making 64 of them. All right? There are going to be 5 element quizzes. The first element quiz is going to have elements 1 through 20 on it. The second element quiz is going to have elements 1 through 30. So the same 20 you learned the week before, you're going to just add 10 more to it. Then the next one are elements 1 through 40. Then the fourth one is going to be elements 1 through 56. Just the ones you had to know from the list, not all of them. Not all the elements 1 through 56, okay? And then the last one are going to be all of the elements that you made flashcards for. We're going to start these quizzes next week, and so I just wanted to make sure that you have your flashcards done and you're ready to go. So if you have questions, email me or stop by, but hopefully this is going to be helpful.